Okay, hang. Towards me. Up. Okay, hang. Up. Bring the head up. Yes, towards me. Walk. Pull. Up. Towards me. Yeah, into it. Up. Nice. Okay, down. Open. There you go. You get a size. Oh. Haha, your first Mekong. Kéo hạ lăng hả? Kéo lăng nữa. Ê. Sorry. Ui, power on the tail. Yeah, big. It's a big piece. Big cup. So. Ooh. Big cup. Good size. Sorry, yeah, because we scared that it came out with it. Up, down. So, sorry. Really? Yeah, because of the body, he used body to go down again. Pump. Ooh. Up. Hold it, up. Oh, down, over bell. Ooh, big cup. Yes, there you go. Oh my God. Finally. Look at me. Oh, massive cup, finally. Bucket list. Okay, push. Okay. Oh. This is only your third fish เห็นไหมเอาเยอะนี่ตัวที่2เองปลาบึกแต่อย่างนี้เอาเยอะโอ้มาทำความสุขเอาโอเค first Mekong go push โอเคnice go push okay watch out yes this cup is there already Mekong they go out already cup they pump they push you down pump ตัวเล็กปั๊มตัวนี้จะแบบปั๊มเรียบYeah, see the mouth. Ooh. Oh, look at the size. Ooh, look at the mouth. Down, open bell. Yes. Nice. Oh, nice.นี่แหละครับโอ้เลื่อนปั๊มจุดแล้วแหละโดนกงใช่ปั๊มผู้จุดแล้วแหละผู้yeah sorry yes okay stay the cup of the day fun cup no so tight come on oh yes cup oh big one oh Sudah leh. Come on, don't let go. Up. Up. Bring the head towards the net. Down. Open bell. Open. Oh, heavy carry. Heavy carry. Thằng thái coi ôm nghe. Để đua giật nặng mày. Gì à? Nice big size carp. from UK. Okay, push. Yes. Ooh, yes, it's coming out, It's holding on. Yeah, it's coming out. Yeah, it's coming out. You see that? It's going out, Yes. This is how it. Yes, you see that? It's going to the right. You see that? Pull. Hold it. Oh my God. Oh, see there. Don't worry. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, go so far away. Oh, come on. The personal best record. Now it's in front of us already. Sorry, take your time. No, his nose. Oh my God. Say mày. Oh, big. Dài mình cái. Oh. Oh, up. Down. Oh. Help him. Together, help him. Oh my God. Look at the size of it. Oh, massive fish. Okay, go push down. Nice. Okay, push up. Yeah. Last fish. Push. Good day.